Hello and welcome to our software tutorial series. In this tutorial, you will learn how to request a direct deposit of a refund into two or more bank accounts. In this tutorial, we will walk you through how to request a direct deposit of a refund into two or more accounts in the tax preparation software. Taxpayers have the option of having their refund deposited into two or three accounts at a bank or other financial institution, such as a mutual fund, brokerage firm, or credit union in the United States. An account can be a checking, savings, or other account, such as an individual retirement arrangement, IRA, health savings account, HSA, Archer MSA, or a Coverdell Education Savings account. The taxpayer also has the option to buy up to $5,000 in Paper Series 1 savings bonds with their refund, as well as having part of the refund sent to them as a paper check. If your client wants the refund deposited into only one account, do not complete this form. Instead, you can request a direct deposit of the refund on the tax return he or she is filing by filling out the bank account information on the main information sheet and then verifying that information by re-entering the information on 1040 page 2. To load Form 8888, Allocation of Refund, including savings bond purchases, into the software, click on the Add Form Display Form List tab at the top of the active form, or press Ctrl and F10. In the Look For field, type 8888, and then press Enter. The software loads and displays Form 8888. The refund can be deposited into two or three accounts on Part 1 of this form. Please note, account information is not verified by the software when you use Form 8888. If the Western Union MoneyWise card was selected on the main information sheet, enter the amount to be applied to the MoneyWise card on line 1. On line 1A, we will enter the portion of the refund to be directly deposited into each account. Each deposit must be at least $1. The total of lines 1A, 2A, and 3A must equal the total amount of the refund. Enter the routing number and account number. The routing number must be 9 digits. The first two digits must be 01 through 12 or 21 through 32. Otherwise, the direct deposit will be rejected and a check will be sent instead. Please note, your check may state that it is payable through a financial institution different from the one at which you have your account. If this is the case, do not use the routing number on that check and contact your financial institution. Select the appropriate checkbox for the type of account. If your deposit is to an account such as an IRA, HSA, or other similar account, ask your financial institution whether you should select the checking or savings box. You must select the correct box to ensure your deposit is accepted. We will now type in the account number for the first bank the taxpayer wanted a portion of the refund deposited into. We will now repeat the steps on lines 2A through 2D. To fill out the information, for the second account the taxpayer wanted a portion of the refund deposited into. Complete Part 2 if the taxpayer would like to buy paper bonds with a portion of their refund. The taxpayer can request that their refund, or part of it, be used to buy up to $5,000 in Paper Series 1 savings bonds. They do not need a Treasury Direct account to do this. They may request up to 3 different savings bond registrations. However, each registration must be a multiple of 50, and the total of lines 4, 5A, and 6A cannot be more than $5,000, or the refund amount, whichever is smaller. Complete Part 3 if the taxpayer would like a portion of their refund to be sent to them as a paper check. Enter the amount they wish to receive on line 7. The tax software calculates the total of lines 1A, 2A, 3A, 4, 5A, 6A, and 7. The amount on line 8 must equal the federal refund amount. Please note, if taxpayers select to have the refund deposited into more than one account, the checkbox on the state return cannot be selected to use the same account as a federal return. On the state forms, you must manually enter the direct deposit information. You should now be able to request a direct deposit of a refund into two or more bank accounts. Thank you for viewing this tutorial.